Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good 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 morning.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
So I should wait for 1 or 2 minutes more because the people are going to join. So I taught last time what I taught Kadam Tripathi. Kadam Tripathi is there in the class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kadam, please tell me.
Equation reducible to homogeneous form of differential equation and its special case.
Okay. So the question I solved in the last class was based on the simple reducible to the homogeneous form, right? It was that
Yes.
question. Fine. And I am giving some question, 2 or 3 questions, 3 or 4 questions I think I have given to solve that. I think the things was clear, the method was clear, concept was clear, and you have solved. Anyone has not solved or the concept was not clear?
Sir, we have solved, but I have a doubt in one question that my answer is correct or not.
Okay, we will verify the questions. I'll also give you some tips today that how the question can be modified in the exam. Suppose that this is the question dy by dx is given. I will come coming on the this white. Yes. Is it visible now? This whiteboard?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kadam. Which question you want to verify the answer? Then I will explain after that.
Sir, it was a third question. 4x plus 6y plus 5 whole dy is equals to 3y plus 2x plus 4 whole.
Yes. This was the question. And 4x plus 6y plus 5 into
dy.
y. This is equal to 3y plus 2x plus 4 into dx. Right?
Yes.
Now, this is again a kind of the question that you will when you go for uh, that is called the exact non-exact form, that but simply when we are talking about the homogeneous equation, so this will be like that. Suppose this will be 3y plus, or we can 2x and plus 4 upon 4x plus 6y plus 5, right? Or we can say it is rearranged 2x plus 3y plus 4. So this is a homogeneous equation with that. But for the making the question a little bit complex and making a confusing for the students in the exam, we are just rearrange these questions. We can rearrange. Yeah, everybody is with me now. So we can rearrange like that, like this kind, or also the further we can do that. Suppose I'm writing dy by dx into 4x plus plus okay, I can also change many things like that. Dy by dx into 4x 6y plus 5, and then minus of 3y plus 4, and then equal to 2x dx. Is it okay or not? Dx here, dx is also there.
Yes, sir.
Dx.
Yes,
So
sir.
write like this question, but you can never imagine that yeah, it is a question of the homogeneous form. So for the torturing of the a little bit student in the exam, we can rearrange the question like that. But you never expect that yeah, this
What
kind
is
of.
the answer?
Okay, I'm giving the answer. So Kadam, you are getting my point now,
Yes,
everybody?
sir. I have only doubt in my answer.
Yeah, I know. I will tell you the answer, but now see how the question will be twisted. The same question can be rearranged, and the student can never expect that this question can be solved by the homogeneous form. So this kind of things we are doing, we are very clever, The teacher are very clever. So the answer is answer. I am going to write the answer of this question. Answer is where is the answer? 4dx. Okay, we have the answer here, minus 3x and then plus 6y minus 9 by 7. This is a solved question. Minus 3x plus 6y minus 7 by 9 log of 14x plus 21y and then plus 22 and this is equal to c. Are you getting this answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's
Uh,
not, sir, 6y
Yes,
minus 3x minus 9 log
I
14x
don't
plus
think the
21y
same.
plus
Yeah.
22.
minus 3x plus 6y or 6y minus 3x is, what is the difference?
No, sir, you said minus 7 by 9 log.
Minus 9 by 7.
7.
Okay, sir.
It is minus 9 by 7. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
No, sir,
Yeah.
I don't see
Yes.
the same.
You don't have? You don't have this answer?
No.
So what is wrong with this question? Because actually, now see, the question is that there will be a problem of now dv by dx when you go for the variable separable form. When you go for the variable separable form, so what you are getting in terms of v and x, I can help.
सर
Yeah.
सर दिस इज लक्ष्य सर. यहाँ पे आंसर थोड़ा एक स्टेप पहले आ रहा है, मतलब थोड़ा
Okay.
पूरा सॉल्व किया हुआ. हमारा
हाँ.
आंसर है 2/7 होल ब्रैकेट 2x plus 3y minus 9/49 log 14x 21y plus 22 is equals to x plus c.
Yes,
शायद
sir.
सॉल्व करने पर ही आ जाएगा.
Okay, अगर आ जाएगा, just give me, okay, this is 7 and x. The answer will be correct if you tell me when you apply the variable and separable form, and the equation will be in terms of v and x. What is the equation in terms of v and x? What will be the equation in terms of v and x when you apply the variable and separable form?
सर
dv.
dv multiplied by 2v plus 5 upon 7 plus 22 7v plus 22 is equals to dx.
Okay, dv upon dx, I have this is 7v plus
2
22
upon 2
2v
2v
plus
plus 5.
5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, no issue. No
Yes,
issue.
sir,
Now
I
see,
have seen the question.
now see which kind of this fraction is, how to make the make it another form like that. Simply you divide this equation, no? Simply you have to make it like that, 2b by 2b plus 5 and 7. You can do that like that. Now see, it is suppose we can write 7v upon 2v plus 5 and then plus 22 by 2v plus 5. Now to rearrange it, this can be written as like this is the, when you differentiate, this is 2v plus 7. So when you divide it, you will get like 2 by 7 minus 9 by 7 upon 7v plus 22, or okay, this is d by dx. So in terms of when you make it dv by dx, so this is 2v plus 5 upon 7v plus 22 dv equal to dx, correct? So you make it like that. You can divide it. This is 7v plus 22, divide this 2v plus 5. You can divide, right? So you can write it 2 by 7. So when it will be 2 by 7, this will be cancelled, and then you can like that. So this is minus 9 by 7 you will get here, and
Yes.
this finally change into the 2 by 7 minus 9 by 7 divided by 7v plus 22. So it's very simple to integrate, right? And this is equal to dx. Yeah, getting my point? Yeah, Jalas Singh.
Yes,
You want
sir.
to say?
Sir, I have used partial fractions like 2v plus 5 equals upon 7v plus 22 equal to a by 1 plus b upon 7v plus 22.
Okay, so you are getting the partial fractions
Yes,
also. You can do that.
yes, sir.
You can do, but actually it is a improper fraction. We call it because the degree is same at numerator and denominator to make it proper one. So proper means what?
I divide by
Proper fraction means the degree of the variable at the numerator is less than denominator, and we can make it into the partial fraction. Fine.
Okay, sir.
No issue. Should I move? Okay, next question. Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next question.
एक minute. So dy by dx is equals to 2x plus 9y minus 20 upon 6x plus 2y minus 10.
Okay, so should I write the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can check.
Okay, you can write it. That was the question number 3 or 4 or 5.
4.
Question
4.
number 4. Answer is very simple. 2x minus y whole square equal to c into x plus 2y x plus 2y minus 5.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
It's the
Good.
right.
Question number 5. Which question?
dy by dx is equals to y minus x plus 1 upon y plus x plus 1.
Okay. Its answer is log of
सर क्वेश्चन 4 का आंसर y माइनस 2x का होल स्क्वायर नहीं होगा?
Yes, sir.
y.
Y minus
Yes, sir.
2x are.
y
Y
y
माइनस
minus 2x का होल स्क्वायर होगा सर.
क्या फर्क पड़ेगा इससे?
कुछ नहीं.
जल्दी बताओ. Any difference?
No, sir.
So take the minus 1. So log y plus 3 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square plus 2 into tan inverse y plus 3 upon y plus 2, and this is equal to c. Very simple answer. Y plus 3 square x plus 2 square plus 2 tan inverse y plus 3 y plus 2. Is it okay? No. Anyone who got the answer? Anyone who got the answer? Adarsh is there in the class? Adarsh.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Adarsh, please on your camera.
क्या देंगे पापा को भेजना चाह रहे थे कुछ ड्राई फ्रूट्स के पैकेट गिफ्ट कुछ बनाए हुए
Sorry, who is talking? Adarsh was not present in the class for the last 2 or 3 days. I think. Just want to check your attendance.
Yes, sir.
Why? Is it okay?
No, sir. Due to some network problem. So there was a network problem. That's why I was not able to join.
Okay. Let me check because I was tomorrow is 11, so I have the data here. I don't know why you people are not. Okay, and some more people, 2 or 3 people, they are continuously not coming in the class. They are continuously not coming in the class. Okay, I will check it. And the first 3 name that the people are not coming. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6. There is a question number 6 or not? Otherwise, I will move to the.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Which question?
dy by dx equals to x minus y minus 2 upon x plus y plus 6.
Yes. So its answer is, anyone who will tell me the answer?
y minus 4 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into x minus 2 y minus 4 minus x minus 2 का होल स्क्वायर equals to c.
Why y minus 4? It will be y plus
Yes, sir.
4,
It will be y plus 4.
y plus 4 square, then plus 2 into x plus 2 square, in sorry, it's not a square, sorry, x plus 2 and y plus 4, then minus x plus 2 square equal to c square, or we call it c. Is it the right answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to the some special cases based on that. So special case is I would like to ask this why I don't have the attendance. Shashwat is there in the class. Shashwat is there in the class. And yes, everyone is present in the class now. How many of you are? 71. Yeah, listen carefully.
Yes, sir.
Those whose attendance is not in the DMS, that means you have not registered. So you have to register first. You have a link from the admission department or from the academics that you have a link. So you just log in and register your register for that. So for your subject. If you register for your subject, then your name will be in the DMS, because some people whose name is not in the DMS, I can call their name that their name is not in the DMS. So you should be check that why your name is not in the, like the Mohit is there in the class. Mohit,
Yes, sir.
Mohit, you have not
Yes.
registered, so that for the last 3 class you are coming in my class, but your name is not in the DMS, so that I am not able to mark your attendance. Fine. Rahil Jindal is there. Rahil Jindal.
Yes, sir.
So you have not still registered in DMS. Subek Singh. Subek Singh is there. Subek Singh Tang. Okay. Surat Rohit. Surat Rohit is there in the class.
Sir.
Yes. So you have not registered. Still you have not registered. Satvik, you have registered, na? Satvik. Satvik, you are hearing me?
Yes, sir. I registered.
You have registered, na? So
Yes, sir.
you have registered in DMS?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So those who have not registered, your attendance is not marking in the DMS. So today you have to, at least after the class, you have to register, right? So that we can mark the attendance, because your name is not coming in the register. Okay. Aksh Nayak, can you tell me what is the this special case of non-homogeneous cases, non-homogeneous differential equation? What I taught in the last class regarding the special case.
I don't remember, sir. Sorry.
So where is your notes, class notes?
Sir, I'm making them in a very short form because you were uploading the PPTs on the notes and all. So I thought I'll
PPT is
read.
already uploaded. PPT is already uploaded. Video is there already uploaded. So
Yes, sir. That's why I was making very concise notes. I thought I'll rewatch them during the exam.
so next class I will ask that you should be complete each and everything.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Get ready.
Yes, sir.
Akshans Nagar is there. Akshans Nagar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you got? I have already uploaded your TG list. Why you are sending the message that my name is not there? You contact to your concerned TG. I have already uploaded in this file that who is your TG, and still there is a confusion that who is your TG. Right.
Sir,
So
I
you
am
have
unable to see my name in the list.
try to find it. Actions what I taught in the last class.
Sir, due to some reasons, I have to leave in the half class, so I don't know exactly. You were in starting. You were telling some special reasons, special cases.
That means I will mark your absent. That means just you are login and go. That's why I'm taking this all these things on the when you are login and when you are leaving this, everything is in the record. Yeah, Jalas Singh.
Yes, so the special case was if we consider like dy by dx equal to ax plus by.
Wait, I will ask. I will ask the people. I know that who can give the answer, but I have to be. So, yeah, Ishika Deshpande is there. Ishika Deshpande.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the special case for the non-homogeneous differential equation? Yes. Only login into the MS Team is not the class. Just log in the MS Team, and this shows that yes, you are in the class. Is not the presence of your class. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. It's not like I don't pay attention, sir. I'm right here. It's just I was I had some chore to do, so I just went quickly.
No, actually, I have asked the 3 students that what I taught in the last class. The 3 have given the 3 reasons. That means 100% of people are not in the class. 3 out
No,
of the 3.
sir. Nothing like that. You can trust me. Like I pay attention and not.
Okay. So just explain what is the special case? What is the special case?
Hello.
Okay, Ishita. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm hearing. Ishika.
Yes, sir. I don't know the special case, sir.
Fine. So I remember the name of the people that who is not giving the response properly. Ishita Sanjeev Bennett.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please give me a briefly explain what is the special case. When
In
we
the
call the special case
what, sir?
in the non-homogeneous differential equation, when we call it is a special case.
Yes, sir. In the special case, it is like dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c upon capital AX plus capital by plus c. So when a upon capital A is equal to b upon capital B, so we assume so then it happens like ax plus by plus c, and then n times ax plus by plus c in the denominator, and then we substitute ax plus by as b and then solve.
Good, very good.
Yeah.
So the special case is that for the dy by dx, if it is equal to ax plus by plus c upon capital AX plus capital by and plus capital C, and if small a upon capital A equal to small b upon capital B, so in this case you cannot find h and k cannot be obtained. For that we have to write this ax plus b somewhere b, this will be equal to you can take it as some other variable of b. Fine, good. So now coming to that part of the question, because when this will be equal, the non-homogeneous differential equation will be like that: dy by dx. Yeah, mute everybody. Otherwise, I will remove from the class. So dy by dx equal to, this equation will be like that: ax plus by and plus small c divided by n times this will be ax plus by and then plus this will be c. So we let it, this will be this ax plus by, this is equal to, we take it b, and other than converting it to the homogeneous, it directly converted into the variable separable form. So this is the special case for the non-homogeneous differential equation that we can solve directly from non-homogeneous to the variable separable before going to the okay. Okay, the question is question number 1. The question is solve dy by dx, and then this is equal to x plus y plus 1 divided by 2x plus 2y plus 1. Solution. Now tell me, is it a homogeneous equation or non-homogeneous equation? Is it non-homogeneous equation?
Non-homogeneous.
Okay, this is non-homogeneous. Fine, non-homogeneous equation, because next I'm going to give a very good question for you so that you can solve. Okay, now see, when you compare it, this A upon capital A, this is equal to 1 by 2 and this is equal to small b upon b. Yes, is it okay now? So the special case is there. Special case.
Yes, sir.
Why this is a special case? Yes. So we can do that. We can write as this equation we can write it dy by dx, and this is equal to x plus y plus 1 upon, we can write in that form. The special case was n times. We take the common here 2 because this x plus y is same. The x plus y and then plus 1. We can write it. So this is equation number 1. Fine. So what is the procedure? Let x plus y. Yeah.
Could you please just scroll upwards a bit, just a bit, the last line?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you. That's it. Yes, sir. Done, sir. You may continue.
Okay. So this is the question number 1, x plus y plus 1, 2x plus 2y plus 1. When you compare it with this equation, when you compare this by the standard form, this dy by dx, and this is equal to ax by plus c upon capital Ax plus capital By and then plus capital C. So you see that this a by a equal to 1 by b because a coefficient is 1 and capital A is 2. This is 1 by 2 coefficient of y and coefficient of y. So this is 1 by 2 same. So this is the special case. We can write this equation in this form, n times ax plus by. So this will be equal to x plus y. Now we let x plus y equal to v, and this implies that 1 plus dy by dx equal to dv by dx. This will be like that. So we can replace, or this implies that dy by dx, this will be equal to 1 minus dv by dx. Fine. So from 1 you just take it. This will be 1 minus dv by dx. This is the LHS. Right side you take it, this x plus 1, this is equal to v plus 1 upon 2v plus 1.
Sir,
right? Yeah.
dv by dx minus 1. dy by dx is equal to dv by dx minus 1.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Ulta likh di.
Minus 1. This will be minus. Thank you for the correction. This is dv by dx and then minus 1 equal to v plus 1, and then so now solve this question. Is it okay now? Now it becomes a in terms of v and x. So dv by dx, this is equal to v plus 1 upon 2v plus 1, and then this will be it was एक मिनट, यहाँ पे चीज गड़बड़ हो गया. 2x plus y, एक मिनट चेक करने दीजिए क्वेश्चन को मुझे. This is x plus not y. This is x plus 3. This is plus 3. There is no question for 1 because it make a problem. चलिए ये 3 होगा, ये है ना, इसको 3 कर लीजिए आप लोग. दिस इज डिनोमिनेटर में +3 कर देते हैं इसको, है ना, तो 3 हो जाएगा। इसका और दूसरा भी तरीका है, अभी दिखा देंगे आपको। 3 and then this will be 3
वन से भी हो जाएगा।
हाँ हो जाएगा। नहीं, मैं 3 के रिस्पेक्ट में मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्या चीज कर सकते हैं, इससे भी एक शॉर्टकट हो सकता है। सो जो फाइनली क्या हो जाएगा आपका, दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट dv अपॉन dx, जब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा आपका 2v प्लस v, यानी कि 3v एंड देन +4 एंड देन डिवाइड बाई 2v प्लस 3 एंड देन इसको वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट करते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट, स्टिल इट इज नॉन होमोजीनियस, बट इट कैन बी चेंज इनटू द वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म। सो दिस implies that 2v plus 3 upon 3v plus 4 and then this is dv and this is equal to dx, ठीक है, into dx। अब आप इसको अगेन इसको डिफरेंशिएट करिए। आप देखिए इसको, ये इम्प्रॉपर में है तो इसको चेंज कर देंगे हम प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में एंड देन उसको हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे। तो इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको सॉल्व करिए। देखिए मैं यहाँ पे क्या समझाना चाह रहा था आपको यहाँ पे क्या था, जो आपके पास इक्वेशन था ना x + y + 1 और आपने 2 कॉमन निकाल लिया था, तो 2 कॉमन निकालने के तो निकाल लेते हैं यहाँ पे, तो इसको ऐसे लिख सकते थे, देखिए x + y + 1 एंड देन +1 लिख सकते थे इसको, बताइए। अब हम इसको x + y के बदले x + y + 1 पूरे को v मान सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं ना। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, dy/dx जो हो जाएगा, यानी कि यहाँ पे ये v अपॉन, इसको तो हम चेंज करेंगे v फॉर्म में, बट ये हो जाएगा यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली v अपॉन 2v + 1 ऐसा हो जाता है। तो वी कैन डू दैट, 1 पे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं एंड 3 पे भी कर सकते हैं। तो दिस आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन। नाउ टेल मी द आंसर हियर, यू सॉल्व दिस पार्ट एंड देन सॉल्व, टेल मी द आंसर, so that after this I'm going a very good question to solve for exam.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, sir, but we have a TG meeting, sir.
Who has the TG meeting?
Sir, you only at 11:30.
What I said in the group, actually in the MS team, it takes the 30-minute slot. So after finishing my class, it will start 11:50. TG meeting will start at 11:50.
Okay, sir. Okay.
There is no slot for 11:15 to 11:45 to 12 or 11:45 to 12:15. There is 30-minute slots, either 11 to 11:30, 11:30 to 12, 12 to 12:30, or 1 hour slot is there. That's why there is in calendar it is looking like a overlapping, but the meeting will be start at 11:50. Okay, solve this question. So those who have not registered, please register today itself, so that, because after Diwali the attendance will be, I will send the attendance to you or your parents, so it should be updated. So today you have to register on DMS, so that your attendance should be completed in the DMS. The record should be there. Yeah, answer please. Who will give the answer? Anyone who has raised the hand? Okay, Rijul Nanda. Yeah, please tell me the answer. Rijul Nanda.
Sir, 2/3v minus 3/9 log of 3v plus 4 is equal to x plus c.
Okay, x plus y upon this y. So this will be, okay. This will be n dx. So the answer is you have minus. Okay, this is of the log sign, log sign, log sign. Okay. Please tell me the answer. I'm writing the answer here.
So 2 by 3v minus 3 by 9 log of 3v plus 4 is equal to x plus c.
Okay, in terms of v and x, you are saying answer, no?
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. Okay, in terms of v, we have the answer here. Yes, you are right. Answer is 2 by 3v plus 1 by 9 log 3v plus 4 equal to x plus c. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Kadam?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lakshya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shubham Singh. Shubham Singh. Shubham Singh is the correct one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in terms of x and y, when you solve this, when you put the value of x plus y equal to, you replace x plus y equal to v. When you replace y, v in place for v, x plus y you replace, the answer will be minus x plus 2y. You can also compare plus 1 by 3 log of 3x plus 3y plus 4 equal to c. So this is again another
Yes,
question.
sir. I'm having this answer.
You got it. Good. Very good. Very good. Lakshya.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. यही answer है.
Okay, good. Neonika Gaur is there? Neonika Gaur. Okay, is there any doubt in the today's class?
Yes, sir.
No, it's clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, Parth Sarthi. Parth Sarthi is there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I taught now? अभी क्या पढ़ा है मैंने?
Sir, the special case.
हाँ. So what is the answer? What is your answer?
Sir, I'm not able to calculate the answer, sir.
Why?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I'm making some calculation mistakes.
Okay, you don't have your answer as written on there, right?
Hmm.
So what is the calculation mistake?
Sir, that's what I'm trying to figure out, sir.
Okay. Can you give me the equation in terms of v and x before integration? What is the equation of that? That is a very simple earlier stage. What is the equation of finally before integration? What is your equation in terms of v and x? No. Parth Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the equation before integration?
Before integration, sir, dv by dx is equal to 3v plus 2 divided by 2v plus 1.
3v plus?
3v plus 2 divided by 2v plus 1. Sir, I have solved the 2x plus 2y plus 1 wala part.
Check it. dv by dx equal to this will be 3v plus 4 upon 2v plus 3. You check it. Otherwise, you will not get the
What
answer.
he is saying is the equation when the denominator was 2x plus 2y plus 1, but now it is 2x plus 2y
I've
plus
solved
3.
that part. I have not solved the plus 3 wala part.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no
Yes,
issue.
I have also done the same mistake.
Fine. So you do that. Now, question number, this is question number 7, I think. Question number 7.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes only, and let's see who is solving this question. Solve x plus 2y and then dx minus dy. This is equal to dx plus dy. It's a very, very good question for exam. I'm giving this very good question. X plus 2y and into x plus 2 into dx minus dy equal to dx plus dy. Yes, solve this question. First of all, you have to tell me whether it is a non-homogeneous Yes, it is a special case. If yes, otherwise or not.
Sir, it is a special case.
Special case. Who is
Yes, sir.
saying?
It's a special case.
Okay, who is saying?
Avni.
Avni. Okay, Avni. Avni, good. So this is a special case means what? What you are getting? A by
Sir,
A, B by B.
dy by dx is equals to
No,
x
no, no,
plus 2.
no. Special case means A upon capital A and a small b upon capital B. What the ratio you are getting?
So 1:1.
Good, very good. Nice. So you solve this and give me the answer, Avni. Aditya is there. Aditya only. IT. Aditya. Aditya IT. Yes.
sir.
Yeah, Aditya, you are also not there. Tomorrow you was absent. Yesterday you was absent.
No, sir. I was there.
He was not absent. Okay, fine. So, oh, moment, GMS. Just who was absent yesterday? I can say the attendance is tomorrow was 11. Engineering mathematics 11. Just I'm recalling. If anyone find that it is wrong, present, you tell me. You can. Rohan Khanna was absent. Rohan Khanna is there. Satyamitra.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Rohan
He
Khanna
was
here.
absent now.
Yes, sir. I was absent yesterday. I had a network issue.
Satyamitra. Vidit Gupta was absent. Vajrala Sai Raja was absent. Abhishek Bishnoi, Mayank Singhal, they are absent. They were. Shashwat was absent. Then Ashish Rose is there. Ashish Rose not here. So he was also absent. Adarsh was absent. So these people were absent, and I marked the Ashish Rose and Adarsh was absent for the last 2 or 3 classes. That's why I am calling you. So you should take care of your attendance, please. Yeah, anyone who got the answer?
Sir, v plus 4 log 3 minus 3v.
Yashvardhan Jawal. Yashwal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me answer, please.
Sir, 2y minus x plus 4 log 3x plus 6y minus 1 equal to c.
Equal to c. Okay, Parth Sharma.
Sir, 2 into y minus x plus 4 log 3x plus 6y minus 1 is equal to c.
Yes, sir. This is the same answer.
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Manish Kumar.
So same answer.
Okay, Zeel Tanna. This is the last name of this series. Yeah, please tell me, Zeel Tanna.
Sir, the same answer.
Same answer. Okay, Antara. Any
Sir,
different?
same answer.
Same answer. Okay, I'm writing in the solver form that in terms of x and y, so you can just verify 3x minus 3y and c. This is equal to 2 into log of.
Sir, please can you solve this question, sir? I'm stuck.
Pardon?
Can you solve this question? I'm stuck.
I can. No issue. 3x plus 6y and then minus 1. Is it okay? This answer?
Yes.
Is it okay or not?
Yes.
So, okay, who is asking this question, please? I'm ready to give the answer. I'm ready to solve.
Sir, me, sir.
Oh, fine. No issue. Divij.
Sir, even
Yes,
I have
sir.
a doubt.
Yeah, please. Yeah, who has doubt?
Sir.
Yeah, please. Arna Anand.
Sir, I think I'm making a mistake in the integration, sir. I'll see.
Okay, so check it. I will compare this answer. I have written the correct answer. Okay.
Sir, my answer is different.
Your answer is okay. Okay, I'm writing this in terms of z and x, right? Before integration.
No, sir, I am getting 2y minus x plus 4 log 3x plus 6y minus 1 equal to c.
I don't know. Okay.
Yes, sir. I am also getting this one.
Sir, I am
Okay.
also getting this answer.
Okay, no problem. Now see, when you write this question, the solution of this question is what? This is the question. Can you write it? This is your question. X plus 2y, right? X plus 2y and then dx minus dy, and this is equal to dx plus dy. This is the question now. You check it. X plus 2y dx minus dy dx plus dy. So when you take dx this side and dy this side, so this will be like that, x plus 2y and then minus 1 dx. This will be with the minus sign, we take it minus sign, this x plus 2y and then this will be plus 1, right? This will be plus 1 into dy equal to 0, correct? Or this implies that dy by dx, this will be equal to x plus 2y minus 1 upon x plus 2y plus 1. Is it correct one? The same question. Now this is a upon capital A equal to 1 by 1 equal to 2 by 2. This is equal to small b by capital B. So this is a special case. Now. So you take it this x plus 2y. So let x plus 2y equal to v. You can do that. Make it sense. So this will be x. This is 1 plus 2 dy by dx, and this will be equal to dv by dx. And in this way, you can just substitute in 1 here, equation 1, and then you solve this equation. You can do that. Yes.
Sir, in the first step, it should be minus 1, sir. Beside
minus
dy.
1. Where it is the minus
Yes,
1? Where it will minus 1?
Sir, with dy it should be minus 1, no, sir? So y plus 1, sir.
Where?
Sir,
Here.
above, yeah. First,
Here.
yeah.
Here,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Because when you multiply this with the minus sign, see, when you multiply this equation with y, so this will be with the minus sign, and the minus 1 will come here, minus dy. So when you take it the bracket sign, this will be plus 1, no? So this is the mistake that you did, I think.
Okay, sir, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You check it. Fine. So this was the mistake. Okay, going to stop right now, and your attendance is I have downloaded, and now see.
Sir, I have done it the same way, but my answer is not as yours.
Okay, no problem. We can check. We can verify in another way. You know, in terms of V and X. You try to do that. Otherwise, we can verify. Fine. So I congratulate to everybody. But happy Diwali to everyone, and happy Dhanteras today.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Diwali,
sir.
Happy
Diwali, sir.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Holiday, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
And
sir.
then my message is what? Be safe and take care of yourself and your family, and safely Diwali you have to celebrate. My best wishes to everyone. Thank you very much. Right. So I'm going to take a meeting on TG. So my TG students may join on the TG group, another group that I have created, and give it the invitation on that. I'm waiting on that platform. Fine.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, everybody.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Some practice questions for this special case.
Some special case, we have some question. We can give the another because of the time. Okay, you can write the one or two questions. You can write. Fine. You can write. 2x plus y plus 1.
The whiteboard is not.
Okay, I will share. No issue. 2x plus y plus 1 dx plus 4x plus 2y minus 1 dy equal to 0. And question is x minus y minus 2 dx minus 2x minus 2y and then minus 3 dy equal to 0. So this is the two questions that you have to solve as a special case, and then we'll do that one. Fine. Noted?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, everybody. Take care and happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Happy
Thank you,
Diwali.
sir. Happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir.